is a DIY pizza shop open. Let's do it. First, we need to spray this pizza box. It's done. Always wash your hands before you do something. Let's do it! I'm gonna spray my hands. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah. Look, they also gave us a sanitizer tissue. Here's a guide how to make DIY open pizza. We have a half-done dough. Now we will line up the ingredients. Mushroom, cheese, cooked beef and sauce. Set temperature to 220 and timer to 7 minutes. First put sauce all over the pizza. Now put lots of cheese. Then add your favorite toppings. You can eat a little here. Add more cheese to make it more yummy. Yum, yum, yum. And we're done. Now we'll put it in the oven. Bake for 7 minutes. Now wait and wait. Wait a little more. Smells so delicious. And it's done! Wow! Now cut to small pieces. Whoa, it looks so yummy. I can't wait to eat it. Very good. It's delicious.